My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fire. What's up, kabisyo? Eto na naman po ang inyong sabwa ng DJ na si Malaya. Nako, tayong mga Pinoy known tayo na mahilig sa kantahan at kahit na mali-mali yung lyrics natin, kiber, wampakeday, basta patuloy lang tayo sa pagkanta, di ba? Here are some songs that are misheard or wrongly sang by us Filipinos. Boom, 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 got a Kit Kat. Boom, 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 got a Kit Kat. Boom, 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 got a Kit Kat. Bakit nasali ang Kit Kat sa kanta? Just give me a raisin, just a little bit too much. Just a second, we're not broken, just bend, and we can learn to love again. Ano daw? Bakit may raisin sa kantahan, te? If I was you, I wanna beat me too. I wanna beat me too. I wanna beat me too. Te, bugbugin mo sarili mo. Don't go, Jason Waterfalls. Bakit nasali si Jason sa kanta? Better do what you can, just beat it! Beat it! Beat it ka na lang ng beat it! Beat it pa more! I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses. 49, I sleep on a bed of nails. Long. And suddenly our destiny has started to unfold. When you're next to me, I and see the greatest story love has ever told. Ano daw? Marry me today and every day. Marry me if I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe. Say you will. Cause honey now, take me to your 11 arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 cars. Ooh, darling. Grabe, ang daming kamay. If fire up, boy, even just for a day. O, diba? English Tagalog, eh? My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fire. Te, dragon ka, fire. Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight. Sige sis, kapit lang kay tatay sis. I need you like water, like red, like gray. I need you like mercy from heaven's cake. Ba't nasali ang cake? Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms, Brigida. Must I imagine you there? Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. I'm feeding you, baby. If I ain't got you, baby. Some people want tamarind, and some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. O, diba? Ganyan tayo mga Pinoy, mahilig mag-imbento ng lyrics. Anyway, eto po ulit si DJ Malaya na nagsasabing kahit na mali-mali ang lyrics natin, walang problema yan. #love lang. Bye!